I'm Lainey Quinn, General Manager of Procal Dairies, and I am also the sister and the daughter of the founders of the company. The business was started in 2003. Dad always wanted a dairy, and so he started this with my brother. Continuous improvement in a factory like ours is something that we're working on all the time. We had original inkjet printers that were doing all the date coding and that for us. There was continuous issues with downtime for them not working properly. We had these drums that they used to have to insert into them, so we had black ink all over a plain factory floor that was causing issues, and then the breakdowns just keep coming and they couldn't be fixed and the parts were difficult to obtain. Since we've implemented the Hitachi printers, downtime has much improved. There's much more capability in this printer to put more information on the pack if we require it. Minimum maintenance, so that's something that everybody's loving. For me, the important thing is that my staff have got really good support from the companies that we choose to deal with. And the feedback I've had from both operations and maintenance has been that the installation was a breeze in comparison to other installations we've had, that the range and flexibility of the equipment in comparison to the older models, and that has been a real helpful scenario for us, and that they're noticing that there is considerable amount of difference in their statistics and their data around efficiency, waste and all of that. So if my boys are happy, I'm happy.
There aren't a lot of things that we need to do to the Hitachi printer to ensure reliable operation. We do recommend having a planned service at specific intervals. I think customers have an expectation for equipment to be reliable, to be efficient and to be safe. Hitachi printers are very reliable. They don't require a lot of service. We do have a field service team and we do deliver regular scheduled services. Customers rely on us to ensure we recommend the right solution for their application. So it's important that we understand their business and their business needs. So we will consult with them closely to make sure that we understand all of the requirements before we recommend a solution.
Hitachi's marking and printing solutions enhance productivity and quality with advanced features that reduce maintenance and improve factory efficiency.
Sustainability is primary for us in that we have a huge amount of food loss and waste both in production and finished product. If you have issues added to that by the old printers where we were getting ineffectual dates and things like that, it would be rework, which might be overtime, it might actually be dumped stock and dumped packaging. So being able to have tools available to us in the way of the right equipment for the right job plays an important part in that.
We prioritize sustainability with innovative design that minimize waste and energy consumptions. At Hitachi, we are committed to helping society become carbon neutral by reducing our customers' environmental impact.
Having a good team around and then having that backed up with good suppliers is what makes coming to work worthwhile.